Unsecured business financing, or UBF, is to acquire available lines of credit through the use of credit union and bank credit cards for the purpose of financing a small business. The process typically results in $50,000 to $150,000 in financing per business principal. Principals are business owners, officers, investors, or board members who elect to use their personal credit to facilitate the approved credit limits. The approvals are based on no doc and stated income applications, with each approval usually being $30,000 or less per lender. The $30,000 limit per approval allows banks and credit unions to be within their lending guidelines, which allow these approvals to be based on stated income, no documents, and credit report only. The UBF program does not require tax returns, financial statements, bank statements, balance sheets, hard assets, or other typical full doc approval items. The personal credit profiles of the principals at the time of the approval should reflect FICO scores of 720 or higher. Revolving debt utilization ratios of 45% limit to balances that are calculated collectively and per each open or active account. One or more accounts should have been open for 3 years or more, and at least one account should have a limit of $5,000 or more. Other factors include having no derogatory items, such as collections, judgments, liens, late payments, or public records. There should be no more than 4 inquiries on any single credit agency report for the prior 6 months. The financing process normally takes 3 to 4 weeks to complete once funding has started. The credit lines obtained are typically 0% interest for the first 12 to 24 months, allowing for a no-cost period to utilize your new credit without being charged interest on what is used.